Hello everyone, this is Kevin. Today I will teach you how to use GetonAgain AutoSew CAD to make a quilting pattern. Open DGS program. Open option, System Setup. Set the length unit. In Switch Setup, check it. Open it. Uncheck it. OK. Not check it. Use pen tool to draw lines. Hold down left key and drag the mouse will draw a rectangle. Loosen key shows the dialog. According your machine working area to edit the number. My machine working area is 260 cm. OK. Hold down space key and right click. Move the mouse to the line. Hold down the left key and drag the mouse to make parallel lines. Loosen. Left click. This number is this distance. This number is how many lines. This number is the other line distance. OK. Make all lines. OK. Use Fix tool to make pattern. Left key select both lines. Right click to confirm. Left key box select all lines. Right click to finish. Move mouse to the pattern. Click space key. Cursor change to hand. Move mouse to move the pattern. Left click to fix the position. Use Sewing Template tool to set line to quilting. Check it. Left key box select quilting lines. Right click to show the dialog. Not check it. Set start and end sewing primer. Here set the stitch length. The unit you can check here. Now is cm. Number select 1. OK. Check it to set the line order. Left click the first line. Check line. Effect. This type like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We check it. The number starter is 1. OK. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last line ends here. And we start the next line here. Left click. Start number is 10. OK. Check it. Set start point. Click the number 1. The pattern is finished. Save the DSR file. Click it. Edit the file name. Select Paste. Format. Select this type. OK. Use flash drive copy the file to machine. Thanks for watching.